Greetings and welcome to this brand new video. In this video, we will take a closer look at the iDevice-ToolKit. You can use this to tweak or customize your iOS device from versions iOS 16.0 through iOS 18.3.2 for all devices. iDevice-ToolKit is completely free and we are at its official GitHub page. The good thing is that it now includes a file manager, though it cannot write to the files, but you can use it to create your own tweak. We will talk about it in a second. Versions iOS 17.7.6 or higher or iOS 18.4 or higher are not supported. If you want to downgrade to iOS 18.3 RC and then delay OTA to iOS 18.3.2, a complete guide is in the description. The good thing is that it all works without a jailbreak and you can use it to hide the dock, hide the home bar, hide folder backgrounds, hide unlock background, or to get transparent media player and notification and so on. In a future update to Toolkit, you might see more tweaks or customizations, so please keep an eye on it. Now to install it, you can easily head to the latest releases from here under releases, and you can easily install it via Sideloadly, AltStore, TrollStore and so on. Before you use it, I recommend backing up all data on your device, but this is safe to use because the tweaks are applied in RAM. So if anything goes wrong, you can simply restart your device and you will be back to stock. Let's go to the latest release, and from there you can simply get the IPA, and then you can easily use Sideloadly to install this IPA to your device. Now as you can see, I already installed it. Now if you have installed it with methods other than TrollStore, you will have to go to settings, general, device management and trust this app from here. And on iOS 16 and higher, you will go to settings, privacy and security, scroll all the way down to developer mode and turn this on. You will see developer mode once the app is installed. Now you can open it. You can see it looks like this. We have these available tweaks. You can use it to hide the dock, hide home bar, hide folder backgrounds and so on. You can also switch to a new font. Now to apply tweaks, you can simply select them, alright, and then hit apply tweaks. Alright, hit this button, tweaks applied successfully. Go back home, go to settings, then go to display and brightness, scroll all the way down to display zoom. Whatever the option is, just switch it and then hit done. Then hit this button. This will respring your device. Go back home and you will see that the tweaks are now applied. The dock background is gone and the folder background is also gone. Sometimes if tweaks are not being applied, you can simply repeat the process. One thing to notice is that if you switch to this font, it does work but partially. Let's apply. And you might face errors like missing text. The same happened for me on iOS 18.3. I hope the developer fixes it if possible. Let's get back to stock by simply restarting the device. Alright, after restarting, you can see everything is back to stock, including the font. Now, even if you restart your device, the options here, these radio buttons, remain active. The good thing is that yes, it includes a file manager. You can simply hit here and you can view the directories without issues. Alright, it works fine. You cannot write to these directories, but this can be helpful if you want to create your own tweak by the create custom tweak option. Simply enter tweak name, select the icon, write the description, what it does, and you can simply set paths using the browse feature. Simply to the file you want to zero out. This is where the file manager comes into play. You can open it, simply browse a directory and to a file. You can zero out to disable something or enable something. Then you can hit this button, simply copy path and then add to your tweak, which will then zero out a file you want, or you can import from file. We have these experimental features right here to force reboot iOS or to clean message bubbles, and we also have this terminal just to view logs or output. That's all for this video, guys. If you still have questions, please ask in the comment section and I will reply you as soon as possible. I will see you in a new video. Goodbye and take care.